Okay, so Kiki here, the Dessert Diva, trying desserts tonight at Cheddar's. The Dessert Diva here at Cheddar's trying the fried apple pie that is made in-house here at the restaurant, along with some vanilla ice cream with cinnamon. It looks like a little bit of apple drizzle on it. So let's see. Well, unfortunately, I really wanted to like this dessert, but I'm gonna have to give it a 4.7 as a diva down. But you go ahead and try it. If you do, definitely try it with the ice cream because it's pretty tart. I'm the Dessert Diva, and I'm always down for a dessert.